Here we will write a Python program to print prime numbers between given range. So first in comment line we will write it. First we will accept starting range and ending range from the user. So S range equal to int input enter starting number, and in L range we will accept ending number. So L range equal to int input enter ending number. First we will print prime numbers between given range as, so print with formatting output we will write prime numbers between, here we will give S range to L range. Then we will use for loop. So for in range S range comma L range plus 1. Then we will check if n greater than 1, and again we will use for loop. So for I in range 2 comma n, we will check if n mod I equals 0, we will break the loop, else we will print n. And we will execute this. I will give starting number 1, ending number 30. It will print prime numbers between 1 to 30 as 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29.